Did you know that if you have a 60% rating, you may be able to receive compensation at the 100% rate? Let's talk about 3 ways you can get from 60% to 100%. One option is to file a new claim for a condition with secondary service connection. Secondary service connection is when your current service-connected disability causes or aggravates another disability. For example, if your service-connected back injury has changed how you walk and the way that you walk has now caused knee problems, then you may be entitled to additional compensation for your new knee problem. Now, combined, these ratings could get you to 100%. By the way, if you think other veterans would benefit from this video, remember to give it a like. Now, another option to get to 100% is to file a supplemental claim or an appeal within the deadline for a higher rating. By doing this, you're basically arguing that your first rating was not accurate or that your condition is worsened. You will need to provide new and relevant evidence that your disability in fact warrants an increased rating to 100% rating. A third way for you to get to 100% is through what is called TDIU. Now, TDIU is an acronym that stands for Total Disability Rating based on individual unemployability. Basically, it's acknowledging that even though a veteran does not have a 100% rating, they still cannot maintain substantially gainful employment. There are 2 types of TDIU. One is called Schedular and the other is called Extraschedular. To be eligible for Schedular TDIU, a veteran needs to be rated at 60% or more if they only have one service-connected condition. Conversely, if the veteran has 2 or more service-connected conditions, you need to have a combined rating of at least 70%, and at least one of those disabilities that you're service-connected for needs to be rated at 40% or higher. Now, if you meet any of those percentages we had just went over, then you can move on to the next step, which is to demonstrate that you are unable to maintain substantially gainful employment. Now, if you don't fall into the schedular category for TDIU, you fall into this other category, which is called Extraschedular. Extraschedular is a bit more vague. Extraschedular TDIU is for veterans who do not fall into the schedular criteria. Basically, if the veteran must make an argument that their disabilities have created an unusual situation that makes it impossible for them to hold a job and they don't meet the schedular criteria, then you fall into that extraschedular category. In that case, VA's Director of Compensation Service then looks at the veteran's conditions, employment history, and other records and decides whether to grant TDIU. By the way, TDIU claims can be challenging. So if you need help navigating the process, you should consider asking for help. If you'd like a free case evaluation, reach out to us at cck-law.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest VA updates. Take care.